Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn the DAX function of hour. We will create a new column next to this column and extract hour from the date and time column. Click on the new column icon and type the DAX formula for hour. I will name my column as DAX hour and write the formula equal to hour and select the table date and time from drop-down. We have now extracted our number from the date and time column. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel to get regular updates and check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.